Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze rows in Excel. So actually it is very easy. First of all, of course, you'll need to open the Excel, and for example I have this sheet where the name, surnames and birthdays are located, and for example I want to always see the name, surname and birthday row in the top, so it will be more convenient to me. To do this, all I have to do is to simply go and click on the data right here and go and to do this, all you have to do is to simply click on the view right here, and you will have an option to just simply freeze top row. So if you click on it, you will always see the top row in the top, and basically to unfreeze this row, all you have to do is to simply click on unfreeze panes. If you want to freeze not only top row, but for example the first two rows, or for three rows, so for example I want to freeze the 3 rows, I need to simply select a random cell just above the last row I want to freeze, and click on the freeze panes. And now, as you can see, the top 3 rows are freezed, and now if I want to unfreeze them, I just simply need to click on unfreeze panes. And that is how you can freeze rows in Excel. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.